good morning, buenos días amigos. Es sábado por la mañana, 5:36 de la mañana, 5:36 in the morning, Saturday morning, here in Houston, Texas, acá en Houston, Texas. Today we're gonna go around with the Houston Striders. We're gonna go check out the water wall by Galleria. So check out the video. We're gonna join the Houston Striders on the route. So it's a 10-mile route. So check it out. See you later. So here we are at the park, Memorial Park, at the Raleigh Pavilion. We're gonna meet with the rest of the group and we'll head out for a run. Stick around for the video.
Hi Marco.
How are you, John? Good morning.
Good morning. Some people just can't wait, can they?
Yeah.
Can you get them down?
No.
We're gonna follow you.
Right or left?
Yeah, that's right.
This way.
That way, that way. Here we are running with John and the Houston Striders.
Look at Marco. Good job, Marco.
Thank you, thank you. Going uphill, trying to hit our first mile and get to the water wall.
Hey.
Yep.
I went back home.
Yeah, that's what I like. All that's all like.
Here we go. Here we go with the lid pack. Mile 1 with the crew. Nine more to go.
Like, if I don't really get time to go to the gym because I go to work, I can do them at the restroom.
You really?
Yeah. Usually this class.
Okay.
I'll mix it up, either regular. I was trying to get a foot with the shoes. I like see your
I
drop.
was gonna say nice shoes. I like that.
Mile 3.5.
But I can feel this, like, the whole, I feel more of the ground with these shoes.
Really?
Yeah.
Mile 4.5. Whew. Let's do it, guys.
Let's go.
Let's go. Whoa. Whew. Mile 6.
Let's go. Feeling good.
Water wall. 7 miles. Woo! Oh, what? It's a little rocky. Woo! 7 miles, brother. Oh, that's awesome, bro. Come on. Here we are. Here we are at the water wall.
Yay.
We made it.
Yeah, thank you. I think they turned the okay.
Yeah, brother.
Pretty good. I'm exhausted.
Give a shout out.
Shout out to all the striders. Doing great.
All right. There you go. Shout out to the Houston Striders. Woo! We're at mile 7 at the water wall.
I know, Michael.
Give a shout out, Urban.
I don't know who to shout out.
Shout out
And then
somebody.
Texas finishes.
Yeah. We're at the hydration station with the crew Striders. Waiting for the waterfall. We're gonna start. There goes the water wall at Galleria. 7 miles to get here from Memorial. Fun route. Feels cool, right? We made it. We made it. There you go. We made it with John from the Houston Striders. Let's go back. 3 more miles. Oh man, that was a fun route. That was very awesome to watch the waterfall start pouring down right at 8 in the morning on Galleria. Come check it out. Oh shit. Mile 8.5. I guess. So that's the end of it. 10 miles, 3 miles back from the water wall. That's it. We're done for today. 10 miles.
Yeah, that doesn't count because it's so.
Shout out.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That sounds about what I did.
Nice run.
Nice.
I like
You ready?
5.5 key break. You ready for the first marathon?
All right, here we go. We're all ready for this marathon. See you next time. So that's it, everyone. Had a great run with the Houston Striders. We got to see the water wall right when it started pouring, so it was a really fun route. It's a 10-mile route, so hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.